Hey, what's up everyone? Today, I'm taking you on a quick journey through the wild evolution of programming languages. So, let's rewind to the 1940s. Computers were basically giant calculators, and programming meant flipping switches or feeding in punch cards. Not exactly glamorous. Assembly language came next. Still cryptic, but at least you didn't need a PhD in patience. Fast forward to the 1950s and 60s. Here comes Fortran and COBOL, making life easier for scientists and business folks. These languages introduced logic and structure, which was a big deal. Suddenly, programming wasn't just for the hardcore math geniuses. Then, the 1970s hit, and we get C. Now this one? Total game changer. It's the ancestor of so many modern languages, and honestly, it still runs under the hood of tons of software today. The 1980s and 90s were all about getting even more organized. Think object-oriented programming, languages like C++ and Java. This is when coding became more about building blocks and less about fighting the machine. By the 2000s, the internet explodes, and so does JavaScript. Suddenly, the web is interactive, and everyone's grandma can use a website thanks to these new languages. Now we've got Python, Swift, Rust, and more. They're all about being easy to learn and powerful to use, so you can build cool stuff faster than ever. AI, apps, you name it. So what's next? Maybe languages that let you talk to computers like you talk to a friend. But one thing's for sure, the evolution of programming languages is far from over. Thanks for coming on this journey with me. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more tech history. Catch you in the next video.